Hello, I'm your DC Community Examiner, Khadijah Ali-Coleman. Today is Sunday, February 7th, and around us is the aftermath of the blizzard of 2010. We have received a massive amount of snow. Some people are reporting receiving snow up to 2 feet and more. This has actually been the biggest snow blizzard that the Washington, D.C. area has experienced in the last century or so. So today, folks are spending time shoveling themselves out, making runs to the grocery store, and doing a lot of things that they weren't able to do since Friday when the snow began. The snow actually ended yesterday in falling, creating massive amounts of snow in main roadways as well as just on top of cars. As you earlier saw, one DC area resident, he's shoveling off his car right now, and doesn't look like it's going to be going anywhere anytime soon. Thank you for reading my articles in the DC Community Examiner section, and stay tuned for updates on the blizzard of 2010. Thanks for reading.